In here now, it's very not easy to see the markings. It's very fainted, but it is a one-way street. The signs were there, and the double white lines across. We're now in Buckhurst still, 20-mile-per-hour zone. This road is very tight down here, so take your time, don't rush it. And the reason why I brought you down here is because of the one-way street and how to position. Because a lot of people turn right from the left lane. And today we're doing something different where we're going to give you some drone footage, see an overview to understand it better so that you can see the one-way streets and look out for the markings. Any one-way signs, there's plenty of markings that it's a one-way street. Now don't forget the speed limit is 20, but as you turn left into King's Avenue, it goes to 30 miles per hour, and that's the only sign for the speed limit change. A bit crazy where they've put it, but yeah, it is what it is. So as we come down to here, so at the junction ahead, turn left please. So you check your mirrors, boom boom, 1, 2, and then they're signaling. Now the giveaway lines are not very clear here, but as you can see here, this is where your positioning wants to be. So like that to the left. So I look to my right, see it's clear, which it is, and then I enter the road like that there. And speed limit and the one-way sign is just there, very hard to see as you enter in there. That's right, yeah. And here we are. And this is where the one-way system, and a lot of people at the end. Here we are, we're going to be turning right, so you want to maintain the right-hand lane. And there we are, just coming to this lane here now. It's very not easy to see the markings. It's very fainted, but it is a one-way street. The signs were there, and the double white lines across you. It's very faded, but yeah, not easy at all. And then you want to position to your right here like that there, come out, and then there you are. See it's clear. Come out nice and slowly and enter the traffic. Done. And there we are. And that's how you come into the traffic there. That's it. Done.